Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Cooking in a Budget. How are you all? As winter begins, everyone's favorite, Kashmiri chai, takes the spotlight. It's a must-have at home gatherings, family dinners, and winter weddings. Whether served at restaurants or roadside dhabas, this beautiful pink tea is loved everywhere. Today, I'm sharing the perfect Kashmiri chai recipe. The same one you enjoy at weddings, restaurants, and roadside dhabas. Now you can recreate that rich, authentic taste right at home and enjoy it on chilly winter mornings or evenings, paired with your favorite dry fruits. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with today's special recipe. Add 5 cups of water to a pan and bring it near to a boil. Now it's time for our specialty masala. Half tablespoon of fennel seeds, 3 green cardamom, 5 petals of star anise, half-inch piece of cinnamon stick, add this special masala in a water. Once the special masala is added, let the water come to a boil. If you're new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe now and share the channel link with your friends and family. Share your thoughts in the comments and let me know how you like the recipe. I always look forward to your feedback. When the water starts to boil, cook it for at least 10 minutes. Next, goes in the green tea leaves. I'm using fresh green tea leaves here, but you can use regular store-bought green tea leaves as well. 1.5 tablespoons of green tea leaves. Cook on medium flame for 15 minutes after adding the tea leaves. Add 2 teaspoons of soda bicarbonate. Cook for 10 minutes. Now it's time for the main process. Now we'll stir the kawa briskly. From this point, don't skip the video. You can see how beautifully green the kawa looks right now. Now I'll show you how the color of the kawa gradually changes, how long to cook it, and on what flame it should be cooked. Notice the color of the kawa and the froth on top. Both have different colors. The kawa color has slightly changed, while the froth remains greenish. The kawa isn't ready yet. This is still the initial stage. You have to keep stirring the kawa continuously. That's the real secret. The more you stir, the more beautiful in color and rich in taste your kawa will be. Notice how the froth color has slightly changed. You might have noticed that the color of the kawa started changing earlier, while the froth has just begun to change now. You might think the kawa is ready, but it's not. It has just started to cook. If you stop here, you won't get that authentic, restaurant-style Kashmiri kawa flavor. Keep whisking on low flame. It may take time and effort, but that's where the magic happens. The more patience you put in, the more perfect your Kashmiri tea becomes. Rich in color, aroma, and flavor. Don't skip this part. This is where the magic happens. As you watch closely, you'll see the color of the kawa slowly deepen. The aroma grows richer. By the end, you'll know exactly how perfect restaurant-style Kashmiri tea gets its beautiful color, fragrance, and authentic taste, all right in your own kitchen. See how beautifully the froth has formed. Adding ice now, remember, not cold water. Add 3 cups of ice cubes. Once you've added the ice, whisk it again. Make sure the heat stays low. I'll show you how you can store this kawa easily. In the close-up, you can see the beautiful color of the kawa. The beautiful color. The aroma in my kitchen right now is indescribable. It's just amazing. Our Kashmiri kawa is all set. About 3 cups of kawa are ready. Strain it into a jug. Let it cool and store it in an airtight bottle in the fridge. Good for up to 1 week. In 3 cups of milk, add about 4 to 5 pistachios, finely chopped, and cook until it comes to a boil. Once it boils, simmer the milk on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 cup of kefir to the milk gradually. I'm mixing 1 cup of kefir into the milk. You can add more or less kefir depending on your preferred color. Look at that beautiful, vibrant color. The perfect, authentic, traditional, aromatic, and flavorful Kashmiri tea is ready. Garnish with pistachios and enjoy hot, with sweet or salty, according to your taste. Perfect for winter mornings or evenings. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share it. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be waiting for your feedback. See you soon with another new video. Allah Hafiz. Take care and remember me in your prayers.